Hello, welcome to another episode of Fat Boys Garden. This is TJ. Today is March the 17th, 2019, St. Patrick's Day. And we're going to give you an update of my bucket garden here. And first of all, let's just take a look at what we got in here. Let me just steady the camera a little bit here. So forgive me here. And what we have here is we have some rainbow beets that we planted. We got some graffiti cauliflower. Back over there we have some Swiss chard. And on that back row over there we have some Jade Cross Brussels sprouts. We have some stir-fry broccoli.
Stir-fry?
We have lacinato kale. And we have collards. And way back over there, we have what I call big head broccoli. It's called lieutenant broccoli. And the other one is called steady cauliflower. That's the white cauliflower. So we're going to give you a little bit closer look here. The rainbow beets were actually planted back on March the 9th. We got those from the nursery. And they really rooted very well. And they just kind of took off on their own there. And over here we have the graffiti cauliflower. And that's actually going to have a purple head on it. And then back here, of course, we got some ruby red Swiss chard. And we kind of sort of grew the Swiss chard and the beets more for the leaves than for anything else. And back there, I've never grown Brussels sprouts before. So that's going to be new to me. I've never done that before. And because both my son and my wife eat a lot of veggies, I grew quite a bit of stir-fry broccoli for them. That's a little small pieces of broccoli. And over here we have some kale, lacinato kale, dinosaur kale as my son likes to call it, and some collards. And I didn't grow that many collards because I eat them, but unfortunately my wife and my son really don't eat them that often. So I didn't grow a whole lot of that, and I think 6 plants is going to be more than enough for me. And over here, I think I told you guys already, is an experiment that I'm trying. Trying to use less water. So I got this particular one set up. This is probably going to be my sweet peppers. I'm thinking either sweet peppers or hot peppers. And that's whichever one that isn't, is what that one's going to be. But these 2 pallets are just mostly going to be sweet peppers and hot peppers. And we're going to try to conserve a little bit of water, which is why I got them the way that I have that thing in there with the manifold on it, feeding those 9 or 8 buckets. Back here we have the lieutenant broccoli, or like I said, the big head broccoli. So we got about 6 of them in there. And then here's the white cauliflower. They call it steady cauliflower. So we're going to see how we're going to do with that. And then here's a closer up look of the Brussels sprouts. I've never grown them, so I'm not sure what to expect from that. But I guess we're going to see. And that's going to pretty much do it for now. This is TJ from Fat Boys Garden, giving you an update on my spring garden. And hopefully we'll come back in a couple of weeks, and by that time hopefully we'll be then added in some more plants, because I still got several seed trays. I got about 6 different seed trays I've planted. I still got to plant my beans, still got to plant my corn, my cucumbers. I think I got some broccoli in there, and I'm not sure what else. But I've got about 7 or 8 seed trays in there with different plants in them. So that way we can go ahead on and try hand at growing from seed again. But that's going to do it for now. This is TJ from Fat Boys Garden, and we'll see you next time.